Hi, come on in. Wow, you look great. So tell me, what do you think the Doodlebops are up to today? I don't know either, so let's go find out.
We're the Doodlebops, we're the Doodlebops, oh yeah. Come and join the fun, cause we're laughing and we're singing all day. Hey, we're the Doodlebops, we're the Doodlebops, we're the Doodlebops. No place better, know you're gonna wanna stay. Hey, here we are together. Dee-Dee!
Rooney! Mo!
Doing everything we love to do.
Oh, yes. It's very, very clear.
We are happy that you are here. Together we're the Doodlebops. We'll sing and dance with you. We're the Doodlebops.
All aboard the Doodle train!
Hey everybody!
It's time for the Doodlebops.
I'm Dee Dee Doodle.
I'm Rooney Doodle. And last but not least, Mo, it's time to do your thing.
Where's Mo?
Where's Mo?
Where's Mo? Come on, you have to help us look for him. Mo!
Mo?
Mo?
Have you seen Mo?
No, I have not. However, he might be behind me. I can't see back there very well. Yes?
Mudge, have you seen Mo?
No. And if you don't mind, I've got to get my head back under the dryer.
Oh. And I always thought those curls were natural.
Where could he be?
Do you know where he is?
Under the table? Are you sure? Whoa.
Hey!
Ah, here I am! I don't know how you do it, but you do it!
I'm Dee Dee Doodle.
I'm Rooney Doodle. I'm Mo Doodle. And we're the Doodlebops.
The hippie hops?
No, the Doodlebops.
Okay, works for me.
It's time for the Doodlebop lunch.
You know the pledge?
Come on, say it with us.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. We promise to share. We promise to care. All together as a team. Just stick to it. We can do it. We can do anything. Stand tall. Say it loud. We're together and we're proud.
Dee-Dee.
Rooney. Mo. Yeah.
The pledge always makes me lightheaded.
What time is it?
Almost time.
I love the sound of trains.
So do I. The whistles make me think of faraway places and adventures. Oh, it's so romantic. Don't you think, Rooney? Rooney? Oh.
What do you got, Rooney? There's been so many different kinds of trains. At first, they ran on steam. Then, they were powered by diesel fuel. And maybe someday, there'll be a supersonic train that'll go faster than we could ever imagine.
Whoa!
I love trains because they're so loud! Well, that's something that you and trains have in common, though.
Well, hey, since we like trains so much, why don't we write a song about them?
Great idea! Chicka 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 chicka.
Hey, hey, let's go! Come on, take a little journey with me.
Chicka 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 chicka. so much that we're gonna see. Yeah, that click-clack train tracker under your feet. Yeah.
Cause when the engine pulls up and it's your turn to go, hear the toot-toot and the steam whistle blow. Hey now, don't be late, better get on board.
That song's gonna rock. I can't wait to play it for Audio Murphy.
It's Jasmine!
Shabba dabba dee bop, baba doo wop, shabba dabba dee bop, way, shabba dabba dee bop, ooh, baba doo wop, shabba dabba dee boo,
Hey Jasmine, what's up?
I heard some singing and my ears were ringing.
We were just singing our new song about trains. Did you know that we all love trains?
I love trains too, I surely do. Oh, but a song about trains may not be best for one of our friends to hear.
Who?
A man with an important job. I'm talking about bus driver Bob.
Bob?
Doodles, I have a favor to ask. It is a fairly simple task.
Sure, Jasmine. What is it?
I just think it would be very bright not to mention trains to Bob until the concert tonight.
Don't mention trains to Bob? Not at all?
Okay, Jasmine, if that's what you want, that's what we'll do.
Thanks for the trust. Between friends, that's a must. See you later, alligators. Woo, woo.
In a while, crocodile!
How does she do that?
So I wonder why Bob doesn't like trains.
I wonder if the whistle makes him feel lonely.
Maybe he's allergic to the smoke. I wonder if the noise scares him. Well, if Bob doesn't like trains, we shouldn't talk about them.
Right. Bob's our friend, and we should respect his feelings.
Anyway, we got to get to the studio and record our new song.
Yes!
There's just one little thing I gotta do first.
Oh,
Not again with the rope.
don't pull the rope. Don't pull the rope. Yeah.
You gotta do what you gotta do. Come on, Mo.
Go!
All aboard, sit back. Hey, Audio Murphy.
Yo, 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 Doodle!
You ready to make some magic?
Well, Hocus Pocus is my middle name, baby! All right, let's get to it.
Right on.
All right?
Who's tired of sitting?
Get up and dance with us.
It'll be fun. This dance is called the locomotive.
You start by making train arms. Chugga 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 toot 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 toot.
And finally, you pull the whistle.
Woo! And now you're doing the locomotive. Chugga 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 toot toot. Woo!
I think we all have it. Let's do it.
Yeah!
Yo, yo, yo.
Let's go. Come and take a little journey with me.
All aboard, sit back, now there's so much that we're gonna see. Hear the click-clack train tracker under your feet. Yeah. Cause when the engine pulls up and it's your time to go, hear the toot-toot and the steam whistle blow. Hey now, don't be late, better get on board.
Come on, get on board.
Get on board,
Get on board.
get on board,
Anywhere you go, yeah, you know it's so exciting to me.
get on board.
Hey, 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 now don't be late, better get on board.
Now that's a hit that really chugs along.
Yeah, that rocked!
That was so good, I can't wait to play it at the concert tonight. It's gonna rock the rails.
That sounds like Bus Driver Bob!
Time to get on the bus.
Oh, hey, Audio Murphy!
Yo, yo, yo.
What do you think bugs Bob about trains?
Well, let's just say that you Doodle should wait until the concert tonight to let him hear your new train song.
All right, thanks for the tip.
Oh, but I got another tip for you.
What?
Don't miss your bus.
Oh!
Thanks, Murph. Bye.
Toodles, Doodle.
Hey, Doodlebops!
Hey, Bob. Hey, Dee. Hey, Mo.
Let's get on the bus!
Time to go!
Let's get on the bus!
Hey, don't you know?
Let's get on the bus!
Go here to there!
Let's get on the bus!
Go everywhere!
Come with me, and we'll see all there is to see. You can be who you want to be. We can go anywhere today. Yeah, yeah. It's okay. We know Bob always knows the way. All aboard, there's no time to delay. Come along, we can sing and play. Yeah, yeah.
Let's get on the bus!
It's time to go!
Let's get on the bus!
It's time for the show!
Let's get on the bus!
Go here to there!
Let's get on the bus!
Go everywhere! Hey, come on! We're gonna take a bus ride! Yeah! Come on! We're gonna take a bus ride! Yeah, come on inside! We're gonna take a bus ride! Everybody on board! Strike a chord! We're gonna take a bus ride!
That was great, Doodlebops. All right, buckle up and we're on our way. So, Doodles, what's on the music menu tonight? Do you have a new tune?
We sure do, Bob! It's gonna rock the house!
It's gonna bring down the house. And Rooney's guitar riff will make you jump out of your seat.
And we have a new dance to go along with it!
Wow, sounds great. What's it called?
Well, we haven't completely decided on the name yet.
Yeah, or the dance either. We're still thinking about it.
Yeah, thinking. Think.
Well, maybe I can help. How does the rhythm go?
Well, it's kind of like a chugga. Chugga.
Chugga,
Chugga.
chugga, 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 chugga. Oops! Oh, we're sorry, Bob. We didn't mean to mention trains.
Don't mention trains. Oh, sorry, Bob.
Chugga, 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 choo choo. Oh, it's a song about trains, right?
We thought you didn't like trains, Bob.
I don't like trains.
Oh.
I love trains. I've loved trains ever since I was a little boy. I love the history about them. I love the noises they make. I love the romance and adventure that goes with them.
Those are all the things that we love about them.
They're what made us write our new song. And our new dance.
You know, this bus has a few train tricks I bet you've never seen.
Train tricks?
Oh, and we're ahead of schedule. All aboard the Doodle train.
Oh, cool! A train whistle!
And there's more where that came from. Take a look.
Whoa! This is so cool, Bob. Why didn't you show us this before?
I thought if you found out how much I love trains, you'd think I was kind of silly.
I think everything that you do rocks.
Thanks. So who's ready for a ride on the Doodle train?
Ooh,
We are!
All aboard! Now we're pulling into the station. I mean the theater. Everybody off!
That was so much fun,
Well,
Bob.
it's not a real train, but I do hope to drive one someday.
Well, we sure hope you can become an engineer someday, Bob.
You bet! It's important to have dreams.
Bye, Bob.
Bye, guys. Have a
See you,
good
Bob.
show.
Hey, everybody! Hey!
Hi, guys. Do you like trains? Yeah!
Hey, our show today.
Yeah, see you inside.
Bye, everybody.
This is gonna be a great concert. I love Beany. I love Mom. I love Ringo.
Here's that colorful band of mine, and as usual, you're right on time.
We're always on time, thanks to Bob.
Hey, Jasmine, why did you ask us to not tell Bob about our new train song?
Yeah, he loves trains.
Bob loves trains, that's for sure. But when he starts talking about them, there is no cure. When trains get in Bob's head, he can hardly think about anything else instead. I had to make sure he got you to the show instead of to a train museum, don't you know?
Good thinking, Jazz.
He sure loves trains.
I wish there was a way we could help Bob become an engineer.
Oh, I think I have an idea. Come on.
Please buckle up for Musical Hurricane because you are about to climb aboard the Doodle Train.
Come on, get on board. Hey, let's go. Come and take a little journey with me.
All aboard, sit back, now there's so much that we're gonna see. Hear the click-clack train track under your feet. Yeah. Cause when the engine pulls up and it's your time to go, hear the toot-toot and the steam whistle blow.
Hey, now don't be late, better get on board. Come on, get on board.
Get on board,
Get on board.
get on board,
Anywhere you go, yeah, you know it's so exciting to me.
get on board.
Hey, hey, now don't be late, better get on board. Come on, get on board.
Get on board,
Get on board.
get on board,
Anywhere you go, yeah, you know it's so exciting to me.
get on board.
Hey, 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 now don't be late, better get on board.
Okay, everybody, come on, get on the train.
Get on board.
Get on board,
Get on board.
get on
In the back there, come on.
Anywhere you go, yeah, you know it's so exciting to me.
get on board.
Hey, 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 now don't be late, better get on board.
All right.
Gee, Doodlebops, thanks for letting me be the engineer on your dance train.
It may not have been a real train, but it sure was a lot of fun.
I have lots of fun with you Doodles every day. Being bus driver Bob's the best job in the world. Now you go do yours.
Come on, let's go!
Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around.
I've got a new invention. It's really kind of cool. Hey, let me share it with you. It's truly quite amazing just how much you can hear with a great big ear.
Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around. Bring the sound around.
You can try this gizmo anytime or anywhere. There's really nothing to it. Let me show you. No matter if it's day or night, come rain or shine, you can hear the magic of my latest design.
Bring the sound around. 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 Bring the sound around.
Who's there?
Yeah!
Yahoo!
What are you so excited about, Mudge? Get it, Mudge? What are you so excited about? Yahoo! Mudge!
We're the Doodlebops, we're the Doodlebops, and we thank you, oh yeah. Now the time has come once again for us to say, hey, when we get together, we're always having fun, laughing while we're learning and we're singing. You never have to worry, 'cause we're here to say, together we're the Doodlebops, we'll sing and dance with you. We're the Doodlebops.
You have been watching the Doodlebops right here on the Veritable Quandary. This show was posted by Shadow J. And I am your super secret show snoop. My name is Gyro Screwloose. Thanks for watching.